Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of building your own dropshipping business using Doba's AI Tool Hub. Whether you're just getting started or looking to grow your existing store, this toolset simplifies everything. Let's begin with the basics. Doba is a leading dropshipping platform that gives you access to more than 700,000 pre-approved suppliers. You don't need to worry about sourcing or vetting them yourself. Now let's focus on the game-changing part, Doba's AI Tool Hub. This set of tools is designed to automate and streamline your dropshipping workflow. Here's what it includes. First up, the AI Store Builder. This feature helps you create a complete Shopify store in just minutes. You'll get a modern theme, a structured layout, and 10 products selected by AI based on your niche. Next, we have the AI Product Finder. This tool gives you personalized product recommendations using your selected preferences. You simply choose a category, and it will generate top-selling, high-potential items for your store. Then there's the AI Auto Lister. This feature lets you schedule and automatically upload trending products to your store. It keeps your store updated without you needing to manually add products every time. And finally, the AI Listing Optimizer. This tool creates optimized product descriptions and titles for you. No writing required. It makes your listings more appealing and search-friendly. Now, let's go to the homepage and walk through the steps. What makes this platform even better is that 90% of the products are shipped from warehouses in the United States. This means faster deliveries and more reliable tracking. And you don't have to do any of the logistics yourself. Doba handles the inventory, fulfillment, and shipping. Your job is to grow the store and manage your sales. So how do you get started? First, click the link below this video. It will take you directly to the Doba sign-up page. Next, choose a plan that fits your needs. Each plan shows you exactly what's included, so take a minute to review. One of the best parts? There are no drop shipping or pre-order fees. You only pay the monthly subscription fee, which is very reasonable compared to competitors. Once your account is created, the first step is to connect your existing store. Or if you don't have one yet, use the AI Store Builder. Click on AI Tool Hub in the dashboard. Then select the Store Builder option. Follow the prompts to generate your store. It will include a ready-to-use theme and 10 hand-picked products to get you started. Once your store is ready, it's time to add products. To do that, return to the AI Tool Hub and choose AI Product Finder. Your saved searches will appear here later, but to start fresh, click on Try AI Product Finder. Now, pick your main category. Let's go with electronics for this example. Click Continue, then pick a subcategory. For example, headphones. Click Continue again. In just seconds, Doba shows you a curated list of top-performing products in that category. Each product is vetted, and you can either add it directly to your store or save it to your product list. To add it, click the Add to Store button. You can view more results by clicking the button at the bottom. If you prefer to explore manually, you can do that too. Close the Product Finder. On the left menu, click Search Products. Here you'll find powerful filters for narrowing down products based on category, shipping region, price, profit margin, and more. Explore the left sidebar to access advanced research tools. At the top of the dashboard, you'll also see product collections like TikTok Shop Selections, Temu Picks, and Amazon Top Sellers. Each of these sections features products that are performing well on their respective platforms. That saves you the time of guessing what might work. You no longer need to open dozens of browser tabs looking for suppliers. Everything is here in one place. Now, go back to the AI Tool Hub, click on AI Auto Lister. Here you can set a schedule to automatically upload fresh, trending products to your store. This ensures that your store always looks up to date and dynamic. Let's talk about fulfillment. Doba simplifies this process entirely. When a customer buys a product from your store, Doba takes care of the rest. You're only charged for the item after the sale is made. Then, the supplier is notified and ships the item straight to your customer. That means you never hold inventory or handle shipping. It's completely hands-off. If you want to learn more and grow faster, consider upgrading to the Business Pro plan. This unlocks Doba Elite Academy. It's a training center filled with tutorials, strategies, and tools to help you master dropshipping. There's step-by-step content that covers product research, store optimization, and marketing. You'll also unlock new content as you progress through the modules. And there's another way to earn. From the homepage, hover over the Resources tab and click Affiliate Program. If you refer Doba to your audience or friends, you can earn a 30% commission on any plan they purchase. For example, if someone signs up for the business plan at $50 per month and stays for 3 months, you earn $45. Refer 10 people, and you've made $450. So let's recap. Sign up using the link below. Choose your plan and start your 14-day trial. Use the AI Store Builder to launch your store. Find products using the AI Product Finder or manual search tools. Add products with one click. Automate product uploads with the AI Auto Lister. Optimize all listings with AI Listing Optimizer. Let Doba handle fulfillment and shipping. Learn everything with Elite Academy. And earn more through their affiliate program. With this system, you can build and run a dropshipping business using AI tools and automation. No experience needed. Everything you need is in one place. Check out the link below to get started. Thanks for watching.